In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently submit your expenses using the new Expensify platform. Now, whether you're new to Expensify or just getting accustomed to their latest interface, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. First things first, make sure you're logged into Expensify. Once you're set, direct your attention to the menu on the left side of your screen. We're looking for the Reports section. You'll find it by scrolling through the menu. This is where you manage all your expense reports in one place. Next, click on Expenses. This is crucial because here you can double-check the entries you intend to submit. It's always a good idea to verify that each entry is correct, whether it's the amount, the date, or even the category that each expense falls under. It saves you from any potential hiccups later on. Once you've reviewed your expenses, navigate to the To-Do List tab right above the Expenses menu and click on the Submit page. This step is important because it's where you'll see all your expense entries consolidated on your account. We want everything in one place before submitting, and this page will help ensure you're not missing anything. On the Submit page, take a moment to look through your list of expenses. You want to select or check the items you actually wish to submit. This is typically done by clicking a checkbox next to each expense item, so go ahead and ensure all necessary items are selected. With your expenses selected, glance over to the far right side of your screen. There you'll find the Submit button. Clicking this button is your final step in the submission process. But before you do, quickly review your selections to confirm everything is accurate. Once you're ready, click that Submit button with confidence. Finally, head back to the Expenses page. Here, you'll see that the Action button on the far right side of your submitted expenses is no longer enabled. This means your expenses have been successfully submitted. It's a reassuring way of confirming that you've followed all the steps correctly. Remember, throughout the process, it's crucial to double-check your entries and selections to avoid resubmitting or additional back and forths for corrections. Congratulations! You've just submitted your expenses via the new Expensify interface efficiently and accurately. Each time you navigate this process, it'll become second nature, making expense management much less of a chore. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your next expense submission seamless and straightforward.